Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to set up Gmail SMTP server. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. We can set up Gmail SMTP to send emails safely and reliably from our website or application using a standard Gmail account. To do this, we have to open a web browser and go to gmail.com and make sure that we have logged in using our required Gmail account. It is good to use our secondary Gmail account and not our primary one, at least until we understand how this works. Then we have to select our profile pic icon here. Go to manage your Google account. Here on this side, we have to go to security and sign in. Select that. So we have to make sure that we have enabled two-step verification here. We can do Google prompt authenticator or phone number. We have so many options. So we have to enable this two-step verification to do this. This is very important. After doing this, we can go to the home and we can type app passwords here, and we have to select this first one under security. So we will also get a page to do the account verification. We have to do that, and after that we will get this page. So app passwords are less secure, but this is a reliable one, so we can use this. So we have to create an app name here. We can enter any random one. So I'll just use create. Now we will get this password on this pop-up. We have to keep a note of this. This is actually very important. So we have to keep a note of this and we will use this later. Now we are going to test all this using the GMAS website. This is a reliable SMTP test tool. We have to go to this URL. I'll share this in the description, and we have to enter all these details here. I copied this in the sticker. We have to use all these options 465 and SSL. We can see all of them here. Username should be our Gmail address. Password should be the one which we copied from that website. We have to remove all the gaps between the values, and we have to paste that. So username can be our email address. Password, copy that. From can be our Gmail address itself. To address, we can enter any other secondary email address just to check this, and after that we can select test it. Okay, I think it is successful. We don't have any red color here. So now we can go to our email inbox. We can refresh it and we can see this here. SMTP test from gmail.com test message. That means we have successfully did this. That's all we have to do. These are the steps to set up Gmail SMTP server. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comments section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.